We're on the lake. We just got back from going to church, eating pho, and we decided to take the scenery out, the Wazada, whatever. Wazada. And we stopped in this town back here. This side town near Mound.
Come on, Tanya.
And we're all on the ice.
It's not
There's
scary.
like 7 of all of us together. It's pretty crazy. This ice is
It's not bad,
Tanya
Tanya.
right there. See, that's okay. It's cool. It's pretty crazy because the ice is a little freaky. There's like these huge cracks in the ice. I mean, frozen water. And like a couple inches of or maybe feet of ice. That's a little sketchy. It's just scary, but it's cool. You know what I mean? So. Yeah, this is cool.
Bro, chill.
The weather today is actually a really great day to go ice fishing. Unfortunately, we don't have any tools for that, but today will be perfect because the sun is out. You see this blue sky? Isn't that beautiful? And the sun is out too. Yeah, this is a perfect day. Beautiful day. The weather's not too cold. You have all these people. Some of these people don't even have tents. Look, check that out. Wow. Man, it's a beautiful day. This is on Peter's phone because my phone's out of memory.
So,
Peter's posed, but that camera's not pointing towards him. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Wonderful day. The sun is out, blue skies, everything. On ice.
say hello. Hello.
Yeah. Okay, bye.